I did it. I thought I was gonna go flying. Whoa, whoa. Hey, what's up? If this is the first time that you and I have met, my name is Megan. It's nice to make your acquaintance. And this is Self-Love Saturdays. Every week I will be bringing you a fresh topic on self-love, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications so that you can tune in every week for a little bit more of this. Today I'm actually going to lead you through a loving kindness meditation practice that I filmed while I was in Thailand. I don't know if you can tell, but I am not a super relaxed person. I'm over here, I'm over there, I'm over here, I'm over there. Yeah. I need to meditate. A lot of self-love content that I've seen on the internet is all about pouring yourself a cup of tea and staying in bed all day and putting lotion on your face and really staying calm. Versus my version of self-love is go for a run, listen to Thrasher music, jump on your bed. Self-love is whatever you want it to be. Ultimately, it's about cultivating the love of self. And if listening to rager music and going for a fast drive is a way that you want to love yourself, I say do it. But every once in a while, I personally do need some type of, calming practice to try to bring it down a notch. And loving kindness meditations I've found are very good for that. I first heard about loving kindness meditations from Calm, a free guided meditation app that you can download from the internets. According to my calculations, the loving kindness meditation can increase your capacity for self-acceptance and forgiveness, and also help you experience more compassion and love in your life. Who wouldn't want those things? Self-acceptance. Self-acceptance. Oh my god, I'm such a nerd. I'm gonna cut right now to the guided loving kindness meditation that I filmed in Thailand. I hope you enjoy it.
Okay, this is the part where you'll want to find yourself in a seated position, somewhere you feel comfortable sitting for an extended period of time, other than a movie theater or a department store fitting room. I'd suggest maybe your living room or bedroom floor. I like to start out with gentle movements and deep breathing just to let all that shit go that's been on my mind. Kind of helps me feel relaxed. Slowly move your neck from side to side and maybe up and down a little if you feel called. Just releasing a little bit of tension here before settling into stillness. Kind of feels good. Now stack your palms on top of one another, taking a deep breath and scrunching those shoulders up to your ears to just release some tension before letting go completely. We're going to take a moment here to allow your mind to calm down by turning your attention to your breathing. Just notice how the air rises and falls in your chest without changing anything about the way you breathe. See how the air comes in and flows out. Just breathe here and feel yourself settling down. Now let us begin the loving kindness meditation. Here we go. Picture in your mind that you're looking at the reflection of yourself in a mirror. And as you look at that person looking back at you, give yourself a nice, genuine smile that summons a feeling of warmth rising from your stomach. As you look at yourself, imagine raising your hands toward your reflection and beaming toward yourself a gentle light as you say, either out loud or in your head, may you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved. Continue to hold this warm feeling toward yourself as the light surrounds you. Then say it again, directed toward your reflection. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved. Imagine giving yourself a little bow and thanking yourself for showing up to receive love. And take a deep breath. Now picture someone that you don't know that well, maybe the person who bagged your groceries this week, a neighbor, your Uber driver. Hold them in your mind and imagine raising your hands up toward them, sending them warm light and saying, "May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved." Imagine them looking you right in the eyes and smiling back at you as you continue to send them love. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved. Give them a little bow of thank you and move to the next part. Now picture someone you absolutely love. Your best friend, your dog, a family member, your significant other, a teacher, someone who is easy for you to love. Continue to hold them in your mind and imagine raising your hands up toward them, sending them that warm and gentle light and saying, "May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved." Imagine them looking you right in the eyes and smiling back as you continue to send them love. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved. Feel that warm sensation in your heart. And give them a little bow of thank you. Just feel what it feels like to love that being in your life with so much gratitude. Now, do your best to turn your attention to someone in your life who it feels difficult for you to love. Someone you aren't getting along with right now, or someone who wronged you in a certain way. I know it can be challenging, but do your best to continue holding them in your mind and seeing them as a gentle, fragile being just like you. As you see them bearing the softest part of themselves for you, imagine raising your hands and sending them love and light. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved. Imagine them looking you right in the eyes and smiling back at you as you continue to send them love. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be well, may you be loved. Take a deep breath and give them a bow. Send them a little extra love at the end, and then lean into a sensation of gratitude towards yourself for your willingness to do your best with this practice. Now shake it out, and let's close here with a moment of silence. Okay, wakey, are you with us? Flutter those eyes open. Welcome back to reality. Now, do whatever feels right to get connected to the real world again. I know I sometimes have to engage in some gentle movements just to wake my body back up after that really intense feeling of zen. Rub your face or your chin, rub your neck, just love on yourself. And feel those wrists. Ooh, take a deep breath. Yep, doing a little bit more movement here. Just feels good, you know? Raise your hands into the sky. Take a deep breath. Bring your hands to prayer position and say namaste. Thank you so much for being here. You deserve all the love in your life that is present right now and all that is showing up for you in the future.
Grounding in. So relaxed. I hope after watching that loving kindness meditations that you feel like you just spent the day at a spa like I do, because I feel pretty relaxed. Next week I shall be bringing you a fresh new video about self-love, so make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit that bell for notifications so that you can tune in next time. Thanks again for being here. Bye. Au revoir.